Hi, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're going to be making a pear almond gin and tonic using Amoretti's pear craft puree, Amoretti's almond syrup, and Amoretti's edible lemon perfume. The first thing we're going to do is add 3 pumps of the pear craft puree into the glass. Next, we're going to do half a pump of Amoretti almond syrup, 2 ounces of gin, and give that a stir. Add your ice and top it off with tonic water. You're going to add fresh pear garnish, and last but certainly not least, 1 spritz of our Amoretti lemon edible perfume spray. And there you have it, pear almond gin and tonic. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. When you make this recipe at home, take a picture and tag us on social media. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell down below so you'll never miss a recipe. And make sure to subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. See you next time!